In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a Metricool smart link to your bio. By the end, you'll have a single, clean link that neatly organizes all your important URLs, perfect for social profiles where space is limited. First, open Metricool in your browser and sign into your account. Using a desktop makes this process quicker and gives you more room to see your layout as you build it. Once you're in, look for the Smart Links option in the main navigation and click it. This takes you to the Smart Links dashboard, where you can manage existing pages or start fresh. Next, click Create New Smart Link. This opens a new workspace for your page. If you're prompted to add a name, choose something clear for your internal reference. Think along the lines of your brand or campaign focus, so you can easily find it later. Now it's time to add your links. Paste the URLs you want to feature and give each one a short descriptive title that tells visitors exactly what they'll get when they tap. Keep your highest priority links at the top. If your tool allows reordering, drag and drop to organize them logically. Products first, then content, then contact or booking. Aim for clarity over quantity. A focused list helps users decide quickly. With your links in place, customize the layout. Choose a template that matches your brand's look and feel, then adjust colors, fonts, and button styles so everything is consistent. Add a profile image or header if you want a more branded presence. Pay attention to contrast and readability. Your text should be easy to read on mobile, and buttons should be comfortably tappable. Use a clean background and keep spacing airy so the page feels inviting. When you're happy with how it looks, save your changes. Even if autosave is enabled, click Save to lock everything in. Take a quick glance at the preview to confirm that links work and the layout looks good on a smaller screen. Next, copy your smart link. Use the copy button or highlight the unique URL and copy it to your clipboard. This is the single link you'll share everywhere. Finally, add it to your bio. Open your social profiles and paste the smart link into the website or bio field, then save. Consider pairing it with a short call to action in your bio, like, explore all my links below to encourage clicks. That's it. Open Metricool, build your smart link, customize it, save, copy, and add it to your bio for a polished professional touch across your social platforms.